Today, we will talk about how to add fiber to dog's diet. Let's have a look at the details. The main reasons for adding fiber to a dog's diet are to encourage good quality and regular bowel movements. It is also used to alleviate constipation and diarrhea, depending on the fiber type. Some diets have higher fiber content to displace calories, increase a feeling of fullness, and help a pet lose weight. You can add fiber to a dog's diet in a variety of ways, from over-the-counter fiber supplements to incorporating healthy human foods into a dog's diet. The first step is evaluating the need for additional fiber in your dog's diet. Check your dog's current food. Many foods have adequate levels of fiber already provided. The guaranteed analysis provided on your pet's food bag should note the maximum crude fiber concentration. Most pet foods contain about 5% crude fiber, and this is often adequate for the average healthy dog. Observe your dog. If your dog is constipated or has diarrhea, this could be something like a simple stomach bug, parasites, other gastrointestinal diseases, or strain due to an enlarged prostate or mass impeding the passage of stool. Observe your dog to see if the symptoms persist for more than 2 days. Take your dog to the veterinarian. The symptoms of constipation can overlap with those of urinary obstruction, which is very serious. If you see your pet repeatedly straining, then a vet check is strongly advised. Ask your vet to include a rectal exam. If the primary issue turns out to be one of diet and digestion, your vet may suggest fiber supplementation. The second step is adding fiber to your dog's diet. Incorporate canned pumpkin pulp into your dog's food. A small dog only needs about 1 tablespoon per feeding. A large dog of 50 pounds or more can use 1/4 cup per meal. Steam green beans. Fresh green beans are an additional source of fiber for dogs. Prepare a handful by lightly steaming it in a microwave, then completely cooling it. Finely chop or blend them, then incorporate them into your dog's meal. Serve sweet potatoes. A single medium-sized sweet potato contains over 3 grams of fiber. Mash with a fork, then incorporate 1 to 3 tablespoons into your dog's main meal. Consult your dog's veterinarian. Be aware that these and other veggies may also increase other nutrients, including potassium. These may not be beneficial for your pet if they have other or concurrent health problems, such as kidney disease. Your vet can help determine the best vegetables based on any other conditions your pet may have. Drop a spoonful of bran flakes, cooked oats, or millet into your dog's meal. Whole grains are another ideal and inexpensive way to supplement dog meals with fiber. Add an over-the-counter fiber additive. You can use Metamucil or other OTC fiber additives for a few days to help your dog recover from an episode of constipation. Sprinkle it over your dog's food for the fastest way to resume regular bowel movements. Try a new or different diet. Switching to a commercial diet with a higher listed fiber content, or to a veterinary prescription such as Hills with D, Royal Canin GI Fiber Response, or Purina's DCO, might be an easier way to supplement additional fiber without extra shopping or preparation steps. You may have to purchase or order prescription diets from your veterinarian, or you may have to obtain a written prescription for the food to purchase it from a pet food retailer. Don't overdo it. Fiber is a term that describes many different polysaccharides, and not all fiber is created equally. Different forms of fiber will have variable effects on water absorption, digestion, and fermentation within the intestine. This could lead to undesirable effects, including flatulence, bloating, or diarrhea. If you experience this with your dog, try changing the type of fiber or lowering the amount that you're adding. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.